This is a demonstration of what the telephone microphone with filter and kill switch sounds like. Made from an upcycled telephone handset, this handmade circuit-bent telephone works as a functioning microphone with unique sonic characteristics. The microphone has been modified with a switch to engage a low-pass filter or act as a kill switch, volume up, which helps shape the lo-fi sound of the microphone and makes it more useful for live performance or studio work. The microphone is in the earpiece, and the filter kill switch is inside the handset. The 1/4-inch output jack is at the bottom of the microphone and can be used with any mono instrument cable. With the switch to the right, there is no filtering, so you can get that classic telephone sound. With the switch in the middle, a low-pass filter is engaged, which helps tame the high end for a smoother response. With the switch positioned to the left, indicated by the black dot, the mic is muted by sending the telephone signal to ground. This offers control in experimental situations or during live shows. It is a great lo-fi and vintage sound that emphasizes the mid-range. It's a great studio tool for adding layers to vocals, special effects, and getting unique sounds that inspire you and the vocalist in the booth. The output is a 1/4-inch mono jack compatible with instrument cables. The telephone mic has been cleaned inside and out with isopropyl alcohol and will be sanitized again before shipping. This vintage analog telephone was used in past decades, but is in great condition for the type of upcycled work we do. This phone is special, and it has some unique mods you won't find anywhere else. It's a one-of-a-kind handmade piece of gear, and the sound is unaffected by the finish. The pictured phone in the ad is the one you will receive, not necessarily the one in this video. More can be made upon request. Thank you for watching.